Hello everyone. I am back with the gigantic, the biggest Dollar Tree haul that I've ever done. I hit the jackpot on a Dollar Tree this weekend and I wanted to share all the goodies that I found. It's not that any of these items are super new items, it's just that items that I've been looking for a while and haven't been able to find it. I found a new relatively new Dollar Tree that was stocked and is huge, and just want to share everything that I picked up. I picked up some of these trays here, and I have been wanting to do some DIYs for quite a while, and I'm really motivated now that I was able to find everything that I found. So, and then I have some duct tape here. Then I have a pack of washcloths. I have this organizer with lid. I have seen the other type of organizers in acrylic organizers in my Dollar Trees, but I wasn't able to find that one, and I'm glad that I was able to pick that up. Y'all have to excuse the bag noise. I have a ton of stuff. I picked up some more of these Lily sachets. I just love that smell. I was able to find these silver napkin rings. I've been looking for these for quite some time, so I picked up 2 packages of those. I picked up these nail arts, and it's not really to use them for nails. I just thought that the bows were cute and these would be good for crafting or DIY projects. So I picked up a pack of that. I picked up 2 packs of these clear hooks, the command strip with the command damage-free hanging. And so I picked up 2 of those. There's another one of those Lily packs. And I found this mug sleeve. I thought that this was cute, of course, with the pink, which I love pink. And I thought that that was nice. I found a roll of diamond wrap. And I found some art palette. I have several of these. Should be in another box bag somewhere. And I've been looking for these gems for quite some time. I have some of these, the ones that have a hole at the top, and they are quite larger. So these I can't wait to use. And there's another thing of diamond wrap here. And I have this adhesive diamond wrap. Was able to find one of those. And this is one of the round mirrors that's wrapped up to keep that safe. And I'm obviously going to use this with it. It's a round styrofoam to use with it. And I found some pearls. I know someone has opened the package on these, I guess, but I found a 10mm and a 12mm. And so I was glad to find those. I have not seen those in my stores close to me. I picked up this LED candle. And I found a stencil brush. I found this acrylic, well, it's a plastic, but it kind of reminds you of an acrylic tray. And it says hello. And I thought that that was cute. And I picked up these bathroom accessories. I've been seeing the colored ones. I haven't seen the clear And so I went on and picked up the soap and the toothbrush dispenser of that. Then I picked up this bucket, and you can see here, I picked that up. Excuse my house rust. And I found some more. I guess they had them in several of these acrylic gems. Yes, I went crazy on that. But I do have plans for those, and I grabbed what I could because I don't know when I'm going to be able to find them again. I picked up some hydrangeas. And I have a project that I want to use these art palettes for. So I have, we'll see some more packs of these. I think I had 6 of those in total. Then I found these plant labels. I thought that these would be cute for a little craft. And of course it would be nice to get some clay pots to go along with that craft idea. So I picked up a 2-pack of those. I picked up this crown. I may just end up giving it to my daughter, but I thought about doing a craft with that. Then I found these jewels and gems. I have not seen these. And I got the oval. I got several packs of those. They have an iridescent look to them, so I got 3, 4. That's what I got in that. And then I got 1 pack of the stars. And then 1 pack of hearts. And I picked up some of these glass gems that have the flat backing on them. I picked up 2 packs of those. And I'm almost done. And I picked up these glass jars. And this was over in the kitchen section. Yeah, I picked up 2 of those, and I believe that takes care of everything on this gigantic, biggest Dollar Tree haul that I've had. But I was able to find a lot of items that I had been searching for, or just being able to find 1 of each. Oh, actually I have 2 more things I put to the side. I picked up this glass vase, and I picked up 1 of the candle holders. Okay, I hope everyone's doing well, and see you later, Craftinistas.